Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've just purchased a smart Hummingbird feeder camera, the first setup can seem a little confusing because these models use Bluetooth for the initial connection and Wi-Fi for everyday access. A lot of people try installing the feeder outside right away only to realize the camera hasn't been paired yet. Others keep retrying the connection when the real issue is simply the setup sequence. The good news is that once Bluetooth detects the camera and your Wi-Fi information is saved, the rest of the process takes only a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps you can try to get your smart Hummingbird feeder camera connected properly before your first Hummingbird arrives. 1. Charge the camera fully and switch it on. 2. Turn on Bluetooth and add the camera through the feeder app. 3. Connect it to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. 4. Install the feeder in a spot with strong Wi-Fi coverage. 5. Check the live view, notifications, and recording before filling the feeder.